Greetings. I'm going to demonstrate for you the first page of the Academic Accommodations Request Packet. The content is contact information and process. Learning Center's Academic Accommodations contact information. Phone is 972-825-4841. The other number is 1-888-937-7248, extension 4841. Fax 972-923-8188. Email at academicaccommodations@sagu.edu. And our address is 1200 Sycamore Street, Waxahachie, Texas 75165. Academic Accommodations request process for SAGU. Students must first be accepted to SAGU before beginning this process. Upon acceptance, students will fax, scan an email, or mail documentation using the above contact information. Step 1. Process begins when students' disability documentation is received. All email to the student will go to line mail. Email confirming receipt of the documents will be sent. Academic Accommodations Request Packet, or ARP, will be part of this email if it was not sent previously. It must be completed and returned to finalize academic accommodations. Step 2 is review, decide, and finalize academic accommodations. For review, the Learning Center staff will evaluate documents, the ARP, disability documents, and anything else that is deemed important for the request the student has submitted. Then they will seek elaboration and clarification from the student if it is needed. Then they will determine academic needs of the student. They will determine the validity of using accommodations for the student. They will determine the selection of valid accommodations to meet the student's verified needs, and determine the appropriateness of accommodations based on program requirements. Then they finalize. Accommodations are recorded on the Student Review of Academic Accommodations, or SRA form, and then that process is over. Then we move to the third step, which is the ARP conference. An email notice will be sent to the student's line mail account and will inform the student that the academic accommodations have been processed. The student will respond to schedule an appointment, and the ARP appointment will occur on that time. When the student arrives on campus, or at the agreed upon time to meet over the phone or by online with video, they will discuss how the student's disabilities limit academic performance, discuss the selected academic accommodations, and revise the academic accommodations list if it is found that the currently selected accommodations do not meet the challenges related to the student's disability and can be supported by documentation. Once the ARP conference is over and the student has signed for their accommodations for the semester, then step 4 begins: distribution and discussion of academic accommodations with professors. Distribution means that the professors for all the students' classes will be provided with a list of the academic accommodations. This is not diagnosis information. It is simply the list of accommodations that are used for the student. Then they will discuss in person or by email or by phone. The student will need to discuss how the accommodations will be applied to their classes with professors. And finally, renewing academic accommodations. At the end of the semester, students will be emailed about renewing accommodations for the next semester.